Hello everyone, welcome to Shubha Tutorials. This classes includes the questions belonging to ctet, tet, Gpstr, Hstr and other competitive exams also. So here we are mainly looking on the part 2, paper 2 of the science. This is the first class, part 1 class of this series. Now let us start. The first question here is property of sublimation is used in. The options are first one sodium chloride, second one calcium chloride, third one ammonium chloride, fourth one magnesium chloride. So for this the answer is ammonium chloride. Yes, ammonium chloride is the white crystalline salt highly soluble in water and shows the property of sublimation, that is from solid to it becomes gaseous. Then we can also see some other examples, that is naphthalene, naphthanol balls, etc. Now let's move on to the second question. With the increase of pressure, the boiling point of water, what it becomes? The options are increases, first option, second option decreases, third option remains unchanged, and the fourth option is none of these. So for this the answer is it increases. Yes, boiling point of water increases with increase in pressure. Now we shall see the third question. The pitch of the sound depends on first option frequency, second option wavelength, third option velocity, and the fourth option intensity. For this, the answer is frequency. Frequency determines the pitch of the sound. As the frequency increases, the pitch of the sound also increases. Yes. Now let's move on to the next question, the fourth question. In typical plant cell, the position of the nucleus is, the options are central, second option peripheral, third option basal, and the fourth option anywhere. The answer for this is, yes, it is peripheral. So you can see in the picture, here it is the picture of plant cell. You can see that the cell, the position of the cell is peripheral, that is nearer to the surface or wall of the cell. It is not in the center, not in the basal, or not anywhere. It is nearer to the peripheral position. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Fifth question. Which of the following cell organelles is known as powerhouse of the cell? The options are first option nucleus, second nucleolus, third option Golgi body, fourth option mitochondria. And for this the answer is mitochondria. Yes, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. You can see the picture of mitochondria here. Now let's move on to the next question. Sixth one. The longest stage of the mitosis is. So the stages of mitosis are given here. The first option prophase, second option metaphase, third option anaphase, fourth option telophase. For this the answer is prophase. Yes, prophase is the longest stage of the mitosis because most of the process occurs in it. So the answer is prophase. Now let's see the seventh question. The viral disease among the following is. So which is the viral disease? The options are first one polio, second one plague, third one cholera, fourth one typhoid. For this, the answer is polio. Yes, polio is also known as poliomyelitis. It is the highly contagious disease caused by a virus that attacks the nervous system. Now, let's see the eighth question. Which of the following deficiency in food causes the night blindness disease? The options are: first one, protein; second one, fats; third one, vitamin A; and the fourth option is vitamin C. Yes, the answer is vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by vitamin A deficiency. It is a disorder of the cells in the retina. Now, let's see the next question. System affected by AIDS disease. So, which system is affected by the AIDS disease? The options are: first one, digestive system; second option, respiratory system; third option, central nervous system; and the fourth option, immune system. For this, the answer is immune system. Yes, immune system help the human beings to fight against the diseases. Now, let's see the next question. To every action, there is always an opposite and equal reaction. The statement is known as which law of Newton's? So, the options are: first law of Newton's first law; second option, Newton's second law; third option, Newton's third law; and the fourth option is none of this. For this, the answer is Newton's third law. Yes, Newton's third law states that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. So, here are the 10 questions in this class. In the next part, we shall see few more questions. For more questions, please do subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.